RUF55 is a roll-up door manufactured right here in Toronto, Canada. Compact, versatile, and reliable, it's designed for smaller spaces where security and functionality matter most. Like all roll-up factory products, the RUF55 combines smooth operation with a clean, professional finish that suits both residential and commercial applications. It is available in the following shades: white, gray, brown, authentic gray, and premium black. Each color offers a modern look that complements a wide range of architectural styles, from contemporary condos to cozy backyard sheds. Common use cases: storage lockers, reception desks, sheds, windows, storage units, cabanas, balconies, and other tight commercial spaces. Roll-up doors and shutters like the RUF55 are a smart solution for optimizing space and adding secure, easy-to-operate protection. Their aluminum construction makes them lightweight yet durable, providing long-term value with minimal maintenance. At Roll-Up Factory, every RUF model is crafted for performance, convenience, and style. Whether it's for a small workspace or a secure residential setup, the RUF55 offers dependable protection and a sleek finish you can count on. RUF55 roll-up doors are 9/16 of an inch thick, offering a compact yet sturdy curtain profile designed for smaller spaces without compromising durability. The aluminum thickness is 26 gauge, providing strength, smooth rolling performance, and long-term reliability. The RUF55 model is ideal for a wide range of tight or indoor applications with a maximum width of 16 feet and a maximum height of 13 feet. This makes it a practical solution for storage units, kiosks, windows, reception areas, and many other compact installations. Roll-Up Factory provides warranties as well: 5 to 7 years motor warranty, 10 years paint finish warranty, 3 years workmanship and hardware warranty. Special order colors are available as well. These custom finishes may take a few months to arrive, so please contact us for further assistance if you need a specific look or custom matching. Roll-up doors can be installed as either a surface mount or a recessed mount, depending on your structure, space, and the type of clearance available. The RUF55 offers an R value of 1.2 to 1.4, giving you a bit of thermal protection while keeping the door lightweight and efficient. Ask us what's available for your situation. Call us and find out what would be the best solution and hardware for your setup. Visit RollUpFactory.ca.